The AirID Starter Kit from RFIDeas gives you the ability to leverage the existing investment in your current HID I-Class and NXP MyFair badges. The AirID Starter Kit comes complete with an AirID writer and Playback reader. Using the Card Manager software, the AirID writer gives you the ability to extend your contactless cards beyond physical access to enabling applications such as computer login and authentication, job tracking, time and attendance, manufacturing and auto ID, kiosk access, and conversion from magstripe and barcodes, to name a few. To get started and take advantage of these extended capabilities, download and install the AirID Card Manager software from the RFIDeas website. Next, attach the AirID writer and Playback reader to any open USB ports. The operating system automatically identifies and installs the proper drivers. This also makes deploying the Playback readers easy since you never have to install software. Now to begin the writing process, place an HID I-Class or MyFair card on top of the AirID writer and start the AirID Card Manager software. The application will open under the Connect AirID tab. Select the card type and click the box next to Connect AirID Writer USB or RS-232. It will automatically connect the AirID writer. Once successful, OK0 will appear in the error status box at the bottom. Now click the AirID Writer for Logon tab. For the purpose of this example, we will set up an HID I-Class card to store our Windows login credentials. To begin, make sure the cursor is flashing in the pre-keystroke box. The pre- and post-keystroke boxes allow you to define an action that will happen prior to and immediately after you send your credentials. In our Windows login example, we will create the key combination of Alt-U in the special keystroke section. This key combination ensures the cursor is in the proper location to present our login information. The Add Special Keystroke section allows you to define any combination of keystrokes that your application may need. Now we will add our username in the Credential 1 box. We will add a tab key after the username so during the playback the cursor will move to the password field. We can add the password in the Credential 2 box. We will add an Enter in the Post Keystroke box. This will be used to send our credentials to the Windows login screen during playback. We are now ready to write to the card. Click on the right credential box in the lower right hand side to complete the process. When the error status box reads, "Card writing completed successfully," the process is complete and your card is now ready to be used as your Windows login. In addition to one-time card setup, we must also configure the Playback reader to identify the area on the card where our credentials have been stored. This is a very simple process. Start by selecting the AirID Playback tab. Press the Copy Locations from Logon button on the left side. This will populate the Credential 1 and Credential 2 sections. Now press the Write Playback Configuration box in the lower right side. When Write Playback Config successfully appears in the error status box at the bottom, the process is complete and your Playback reader is now ready to use. Now when you log into your computer, simply touch the card to the RFID Playback reader and it will automatically enter your credentials. It's that easy. Windows Login is one of the many options for adding functionality to your I-Class and NXP MyFair cards. The RFIDeas Card Manager software also gives you the ability to extend the use of your magstripe cards. To learn more on how you can also add convenience, security, and extend the use of your HID I-Class and NXP MyFair cards, see the full line of RFIDeas proximity card readers and solutions at www.rfideas.com.